Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway pirouette. Now, knowing how to do another kind of pirouette first would be really helpful because probably the easiest one to know would be a first move pirouette, so I recommend learning that before you learn this. And obviously knowing how to do a sway would be really helpful as well. So links in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find those previous moves if you need them. So without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. How fast you walk is going to change how many beats it takes, and there's various ways of going in and out of the sway from a speed point of view, so you could do that a little bit quicker or a little bit slower than we just did. Now, breaking it down, it starts like a standard sway. So we go right to right, semicircle back, wrap the lady in. We need to give the lady good support here because she's going to be pushing down on us, so you might want to change to a thumb gap to thumb gap grip so the lady's got an easy push into your hand. Support strongly with the left. Guys, if you sink a little bit at this point, as the lady pushes down, you can squeeze in and lift. Ladies, think about your spare leg so you get a nice leg line. Guys, we now need to walk a circle around the lady's point of contact with the floor so we don't tilt the lady. So we're just going to walk, we're going to go forwards. Obviously you could do the same thing backwards, and it's actually harder slow. So doing it a little bit quicker is probably going to be easier, and doing it on something like a wooden floor instead of carpet is going to be easier. Once you get round, you're going to sway the lady back, which means you take the lady off her centre, which means she's going to end up stepping and use that spare leg, and then we just finish the sway off. So we're going to send the lady away. I'm doing a hand change, you don't need to. Return and back. Do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we're going to go back 1. I already mentioned the timing can be varied quite a lot. We're going to wrap 2. We're actually going to pop up into the sway 3. From here, we're going to walk 4, 5, 6. Sway the lady back 7, away 8. Switch hands or not. 1, return 2, and back 3. Let's try it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right. 5, 6, a sway pirouette. We go a back, wrap, pop up, walk, 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 sway, away, switch or not, return, and back. And that is that. That is the sway pirouette. Hope you find that to be good fun and useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything if you have notifications turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end, one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video of something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.